If you are looking for a school in the United States or any other country to get a high school, college, advanced degree, or just to learn English, you know that there are many choices. You want a school with an excellent reputation, a great city full of fun and culture, but also one that's safe. StudyAmerica.org helps students who want to study abroad put everything together just like that. StudyAmerica.org will help you get your I-20 visa you need, make travel arrangements for you, connect you with your new school, arrange accommodations in a safe part of town. And we will even train you about things you need to know in your future home abroad. So spend all your time focusing on making sure you choose the right school and let StudyAmerica.org do the rest for you. Visit StudyAmerica.org right now and let us help you.
Visit us at StudyAmerica.org or call us at 1-800-940-5431.